Hey guys, good morning. How are you all guys doing? I welcome you all to my another vlog, and as you guys are aware that the centers are quite far for CUET, and obviously the exam is necessary if you want a admission in the colleges because CUET is applicable in at 40 plus colleges all over India. So yeah, the demand for CUET is quite high, and if you want a good college you definitely have to give the CUET exam. And as the exam is only 7 days away, 7 or 9, so I am on my bed for preparing for our CUET exam. And yeah, the distractions are all around means just see on the YouTube the horror stories, the many YouTubers whom I watch, and whole net is there, but these are all distractions. And obviously now we have to prepare well for the exam, so I am planning to do some chapters revise. Means I am planning to revise some chapters, means the chapters which contain a trick from the general ability test. So yeah, I have done some 4 5 6 chapters, so we have to revise them today. And also moreover, I do possess some extra work for my NDA cause I have not gone to my NDA coaching today because the exam is getting nearer, and I was getting no time to prepare for our CUET because the NDA preparation took the whole day from the 7 to 6, from 7 to 5, and after 5 I was going for running, and it took almost 8:30. So yeah, I was getting eligible time to prepare for my exam, so I have just done a holiday for my coaching today. And I had told you in the previous video that this book contains some theory which is general science and general knowledge, but I just wanted to know that these are of 2023, so will this be usable in our 2026 exam or not? I do not know, but I will just give a read. And moreover, these two are obviously coming, so yeah, after this CUET book I'll be doing something from our net, means अभी तो खाना खाने का वक्त है, सो मैं सोचा था कि लक्ष्मी देखते हुए खाएंगे आराम से अपना खाना, क्योंकि ये वाली पिक्चर जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़िया हैगी। और दूसरा देखो, एकदम पढ़ते ही थक भी जाते हैं दिमाग। सो मैंने एक चीज़ तो तुम लोगों को बताई नहीं कि माई नी हैड गोट अ पेन बिकॉज ऑफ रनिंग, सो या आई हैव जस्ट रिड्यूस्ड माई वर्कआउट। And reducing workout means giving another person a chance to be मतलब हमसे आगे निकलने का चांस मिल चुका है बाकी बच्चों को, क्योंकि मेरा नी बहुत दिनों से दर्द है भाई, मतलब 20-25 दिन हो चुके, बिल्कुल भी नहीं करा है। और इतना टाइम बहुत होता है, मतलब इतने टाइम में लोग 1600 मीटर की तैयारी करके पास भी हो जाते हैं। सोच समझ गई होगी कि क्या चीज़ करेगा। And I do not know why this all happens with me. So let's take this apart, the pain and the gain. So there is a saying that no pain without gain, no gain without pain. So maybe my knees are getting stronger and my legs also. So we'll be doing today the revision of many of these many chapters, and after that I'll be watching Lakshmi, and I do not know what time will it be. I just noticed one thing, that this fan is making a lot of noise, and yeah, the noise is also necessary for sleeping, and I'll be getting asleep if this noise will be continuing. So I have just turned the fan a little off. So yep, I am feeling hot, but let's not concentrate on that. Let's work towards our session. So I'll be studying for इंग्लिश करते पहले। पता है, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल वन थिंग दैट दीस ऑल इंग्लिश क्वेश्चंस आर आल्सो इन आवर एनडीए, सो आई हाँ मतलब मेरे को आती हैं ये सारे, सो इंग्लिश रहने देती हैं, अपना यही करते हैं जनरल एबिलिटी। एंड उसके बाद अपना थोड़ा बहुत नया चैप्टर करेंगे, क्योंकि पिछली बारी मैंने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ख़त्म करी थी। सो अब की बारी कोई नया चैप्टर करते हैं।